Hello man cavers, we're having a look at this today. Roll the credits. Welcome to the man cave. Let the games begin. So, customer rang me last week. Adam, my mower, I was cutting, it made a loud bang, it started smoking from underneath and it stopped cutting grass and now it's making a horrible noise. Can you come look at it? Okie doke, I went and looked, picked it up. Well, can you see our problem? Let's have a walk around this way a bit. Can you see the problem? Right, do you really think this pulley should be in that plastic guard or actually cutting into the deck? Look where that pulley is sliced into the deck. What's caused this? Look at that. Look at that. Rot. Snapped right out there, look. So, this is bad design from John Deere. To make their mowers look pretty, they put big plastic covers round the sides, both sides, so you can't see the top of the deck, you can't see all the belts. But it means you get this. It means you get this, where you cannot clean the top of the cutter deck and crap sits on it. And this deck is rotten. Rotten as a pig. Here we go. You can see the rot holes in here. Rot holes. And the whole thing is soft. And now that's pulled out. So I hit the lady with a price, because we're going to have to replace this. We needed to replace this cover. The belt is literally worn through it, look. The belt is obviously knackered, and these are best part of 70 quid on their own. This pulley's noisy. So I hit her with a price. Or I said you can have, you can have a bodge for this price, or for this price you can have a brand new cutter deck. She went for the brand new cutter deck. So this is supposedly, I haven't undone it yet, this is as I picked it up from the John Deere dealer. So we're now going to unpackage this and see if it's complete, because the guy there said, Adam, you'll have that on in half an hour. He says it's all fitted, it's all complete, comes with spindles, blades, belts, guards, the whole thing. Slide your old one out, slide the new one in. He said the most you'll have to do is put the little wheels on the front. That's it. So we're now going to get this thing unpackaged and see just what a John Deere cutting deck is like. And it's green, not yellow, because apparently these are available in yellow or green now. But as of 2022, all John Deere mowers are going to come with green cutter decks. So I went for a green one to make this lovely machine look a little bit newer. Let's get set up and we'll get this undone. There we go. Let's get into this thing. Marvellous. There we go. Oh, them bits of wood aren't nailed. I thought these bits of wood were probably nailed. They ain't. They just sit one. Right, no need for my lever. Let's see what we're like and how assembled this cutter deck is. Well, look at that. Do you know? He's right. That is pretty much assembled. I've got a new camera mount, guys. Well, I fitted one wheel, but not done it up. This wheel is loose. I'm guessing this was probably on there, and it's jiggled out during its transfer. There we go. Well, there we go. Would you believe it? It is assembled. They have even fitted the damn belt. Look. This is going to look superb. There we go. We'll come round this side. Brand new John Deere cutter deck. H42 cutting system. Yep, it is the same cutter deck. There they go. Absolutely unbelievable. And would you believe, if you wanted to just buy the deck shell, it's only £20 cheaper than buying the whole deck complete with chutes, pulleys. I'm assuming there are blades on here. I shall be pretty disappointed if there isn't. Run a finger under it. Let's have a look. There we go. Yep. Oh, look at that. They've even give you, this is unbelievable. They've even given us the new hangers. Look at that. Would you believe it? There's even a fitting kit of the new hangers, the new pins. There's our hangers for this one. Here's the hangers what come off the old deck. Slightly different. Oh no, that's the front bit. There you go. Look at that. Even give us new hangers. Right, I think we need to be getting this back under the machine. You won't see me doing that, so I'm just going to push it under. And I'm going to be just lying under there, putting clips in and putting bars on and messing around. We'll be back when she's done. Well, cutter deck is back on. Here is our machine with her new cutter deck. Doesn't that look lovely? Yeah. There we have brand new cutter deck. And what I meant by them covers is, look at this. This big plastic cover goes right around there with a little rubber flap. You cannot jet wash all that grass off the top of that cutter deck. Of course, this cover is in the way. See that big black cover? Go right along. And if you blast it from the other way, it's just going to shove the grass up against that. And it all traps on top of the cutter deck. All the dead grass sits on top of that cutter deck because it can't get out the other side if you jet wash it. Because that silly cover's on there. Now, if that was my machine, I would take that cover off and leave it off. But this isn't my machine, it's a customer's machine. And I'm not going to take it back to them with covers missing. You know, they might notice and think, oh, he's left a cover off there, or oh, that don't look the same, or oh, there's the cover on there. Not realising I've left it off to help them. But no, nope, leave it as the factory. You know, we'll just put it back how it's meant to be. And there you go, it's just one of them slightly bad design flaws that John Deere put on their machines. But now this machine is literally like brand new again. Of course, the engine, the hydrostatic drive, perfect. In fact, this bonnet hasn't got any crack damage, it isn't really faded. So, you know, for an older machine, this is in lovely condition. But it's been looked after, kept in a dry garage every second it isn't used. You know, they do look after it, and it shows. Even though that cutter deck rotted away, that's really no fault of theirs. It just rotted away due to age, because this is 2009, this machine. It is, you know, it is 14 years old. So that cutter deck has had wet grass on it for 14 years. So, you know, there we go. But our new cutter deck is fitted. A green one, not a yellow one. There we are. Beg your pardon. So that is it for this video. Took me about an hour of fettling to get it on. It isn't too bad. There's a couple of brackets. I had to set the sort of deck height of the mower because it's a new deck, so you've got to recalibrate the deck height, retension your cables. stuff like that. There's a bit of fettling to get them to line up, but it was, you know, it was not too bad at all. I thoroughly enjoyed it. We got the wheels tightened up how they should be. She's all on. Yep, she is all on. If you're wondering what this doobry is, that's what you put a hose pipe on. Do you know what I mean? You put your hose pipe on there. You put your hose pipe on there, run the hose while the blades are engaged, and it washes the deck. So if you ever see one of them on a mower and you think, what are they for? You put your hose on, then run your blades, and that wash your deck. There you go, now you know. Right, I'm going to go, and we will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and bye-bye for now. Ha-ha! John Deere.